Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Ford Sierra Cosworth from their green and chrome series. Can say, yeah. Just give me let me just try to put some light here. Yeah, here it is. So MRP of this is 179. I bought for the same price. So I don't have this Dodge van. So if you guys can able to get one for me, that would be good. Only for MRP. I'm not going to pay a dime more for this. It is not worth it. So let's unbox this one, see how this one looks. And like I already told in my initial video, so some asshole just came and he only bought all the Dodge. He left out everything else. Okay, so the initial impressions of this car are like, it has some paint job issues, as you can see here, paint bubbling. So interior looks nice and some scratches on the windshield. So the headlights, they have some kind of acrylics, which is nice. So chassis is plastic, it's not metal, it is just chromed out, that's it. There are no tail light details, nothing much. It is just a mainline casting, that's it, with a different paint job. It has what is this, rear view mirrors. So it does have hyper details here, which is actually at least new for me. I don't remember seeing this in a lot of cars. Maybe I missed out. I don't know. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it wobbles a lot. It doesn't really roll well. Both wheels wobble. The front one wobbles a lot actually. See, even with that much force, it is not even reaching the end of the track. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.